Welcome to our brief introduction to revenue modeling and asset management as it is. There's a tremendous opportunity to shorten the sales cycle, eliminate 3 to 4 layers of wholesale activity, potentially for your benefit. Also take advantage of some incredible existing technologies when it comes to matching buyer preferences, either based on equipment type, manufacturer type, and physically deliver the right kind of information at just the right time, taking advantage of some of the technology we're proposing to you, but looking forward down the road into some things that are currently existing, not yet really applied in our industry. It's a tremendous opportunity. So with that, I'm going to jump right into the revenue modeler, and then the presentation has a complete overview on the sidebar in terms of solving for your own variables should your time permit. Thanks so much. We'll jump right into it.
This is just a brief overview of our revenue improvement calculator in 2 areas: revenue improvement, profit improvement. It's also available on the sidebar of the electronic presentation. The thought process is simple. Really, number one, the inventory turns, much like parts inventory turns, allow you to keep a base asset level at some level and turn it quicker, which allows you to replenish it with new assets, which in turn generate revenue. And then also margin enhancement. And these are basically improved in the following ways. Number one, you have to shorten the sales cycle, which is done a few different ways: better management through your dealer network, pre-term lease management, informing the interested parties of what's coming up, preparing them for the sale opportunity, also increasing awareness through search engine or marketing in general, possibly even the use of affiliate lists where people have databases of several thousand prospects that they might in turn use to remarket your equipment. And then also margin enhancement, which is done in a couple of different ways: eliminating the layers through wholesalers by 2 or 3 times, so you're selling asset A for $9,000 instead of $4,000, multiplied by the average number of assets sold per day, 6 to 8 per day, whatever your metric is. And then also the inspection process, which is again alluded to in the electronic presentation. People in general buy from people they know, like, or trust if they have confidence in the piece of equipment, because a mechanical inspection is done specifically, so much the better in terms of the margin enhancement. So this again is just a brief overview. You can access it on the sidebar. But it works like this: take your average annual asset base, your average turnover, your average sales per day to come up with a base annual revenue, and then your desired change in days to sale from 120, improvement by 30, target asset days to turn 90, shows the improvement from this to this, assuming you redeploy your assets, and then average margin, your current profit margin, current profit potential, which is a function of this number up here, target profit once you eliminate the layers and improve the inspection process, target profit potential here, over here graphed out so you can see the actual improvement physically, and simply play around with these variables. There is an interest calculator here on the bottom which adds additional carrying cost benefit. Put your average asset base in here, your average interest rate here, interest earned per day, days to sale from 120 to 90, 5 days faster, whatever your days desired to be faster, and it calculates the inventory for you here, the interest cost. So with that, that's a very brief overview. Again, please access this in the sidebar and play with your own variables, and you'll quickly see how a targeted remarketing effort and better database management processes will significantly enhance your margins. So thanks so much for your time and that brief overview, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon.